Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about which Tesla model is the most affordable. When it comes to the most affordable Tesla, the answer is the Model 3. Specifically, the Model 3 rear-wheel drive variant. It has the lowest starting price of all the models in the Tesla lineup. The Model Y is a close second, but the Model 3 consistently holds the title of the cheapest new Tesla available. While the upfront purchase price is a major factor, it's also important to consider the total cost of ownership. This includes things like fuel savings, maintenance, and potential tax credits. Electric vehicles, including Teslas, often have lower running costs compared to gasoline-powered cars because electricity is cheaper than gas, and there are fewer moving parts to maintain. This can make the Model 3 even more affordable in the long run. The Model 3 is a great entry point into the world of electric vehicles. It offers a balance of performance, range, and technology at a more accessible price point than other Tesla models. For anyone looking to buy a new Tesla on a budget, the Model 3 is the clear choice. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.